The Famblo Zone, so if you didn't, you know about Philomena or say, I was in Chenwa. Philo, Aqua.
Yeah,
Na mpom to say.
Nyame adom na mumpai bonti ye okay.
Ya share if a Jumedia course na ya ufili saying as part of the group na motimi ajado you say ma obi asabe yesi no ntimi mpagya ne nsa ntimi nya hwe na wetimi apagya ne nsa akeka ne ho no e ma o join ku na ma ufili saying
As part say me can say me ye a group no. I'm happy as a supporter of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And I'm a proud member of Kumapem WhatsApp group. And I'm a proud say me drum equire friend Asante Kotoko. Say the own ye no. Ye papa ni yet say 1993 na BBC AC. There thousands of supporters the World Stadium, but on no decided so the name come back to my yen supporters nyani equire friend Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Na ye uhwe ni situation na ye to Kotoko nyo Asante Kotoko say ye obi a wanya stroke or pagya ne nan ne nsa de no one say Asante Kotoko no is not just a football club. Aye bibia yesum. Yesum. It's no as a supporter many anji because ene kwa se me ni one se me sum team na me nchima na me babia. Dachi me nim se mo abi se betimi akwa amanti no. Many anji se me ye ana ye de Kumapem WhatsApp group obi biara oyi sika bia no ye da na senyame nhwira no because say na wasa ye
na mpacho BBC da be ne nsa hwe nim se BBC betimi asan esibiom
Kumapem WhatsApp group ya project baby we can your fourth time one ye de command team no two so no ye sign donation say ma ye band ye no ye ana ya be ya ma Mr. Ahen ye bi nso ama pocket tertiary for ye to ban ne nyoma momo so a project that we are willing to do say if it is about Asante Kotoko ne se kan yakoma nko there will come to the person's aid say open information papa information mu do about Kotoko emu ode yi a e was call Famblo Zone TV no eno ana se ekọ
fantastic that's fine